welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Desi Cinemas on your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So before we get started, make sure you know that you cannot download Desi Cinemas from your Play Store app. You will have to download it using APKs. For that, go to Google and then search for Desi Cinemas APK mod, and once you are done, click on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once this interface has opened, scroll down and then click on Desi Cinemas APK. Here you'll find the option to download the APK. Click on Download APK and now choose the version you want to download. Click on the download button in the right corner and then a pop-up will open up for the confirmation. Click on download button and now all you have to do is wait. The downloading process has now started, and once the percentage hits 100, the APK will be downloaded on your mobile phone. Once the APK has downloaded, click on the open button and another pop-up will open up. Click on the install button and now once again you'll have to wait. Once the installation process is completed, click on the open button and the app will go through a security scan, and once the security scan is done, the app will now be successfully downloaded on your mobile phone and will now be ready to be used. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.